Hello and welcome. Today we have Dr. Vashistha with us, who is a high scorer in USMLE Step 1 and currently doing his residency. So without further ado, let's ask him to introduce himself and share some tips how to score high, very high in USMLE Step 1. Dr. Vashistha, thank you for being with us. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Vashistha, one of the PGY1s and one of the leading programs in East Coast. I got a Step 1 score of 260. So to start how to prepare for Step 1, I really want to touch base on three important things. First one being how to build your foundation. It's really important to gauge the baseline you're at, and if you're able to do that, then you can work towards it. So if you know that you are at a lower baseline, then you can use resources which can help you increase the baseline you're at. So really, the first and the most important step is to realize the baseline you're at and build the foundation. So for building and creating the foundation, I, for instance, used Kaplan, which is a series of textbooks. It's really bulky, but then it helped me develop a lot of core concepts, which I feel like helped me transition into the core USMLE Step 1 resources real good. So after using Kaplan for 6 months, I switched to First Aid and UWorld, which basically is a narrowed down spectrum to how we approach the examination. And that's stage number 2, how to approach the examination. So First Aid basically will put in all those concepts you have learned in Kaplan into a very 700 pages concise textbook. Now they have these one-liners which you can interpret in so many different ways, and UWorld helps in that. UWorld gives you different scenarios, catch those one-liners and give you different case vignettes, which will help you think about all those things and help you approach toward the examinations. After you have done that, the third step, just before the examination, is a final preparation and see how exactly how prepared you are for the examination. And for that, you have to take NBMEs, the mock examination, to see where you're at and identify the weak areas. And after you have identified the weak areas, you can also use different resources. There are tons of First Aid Step 1 resources like visual aids, visual illustrations, which you can always use and to strengthen the weak areas and fill in the voids to score real high. But for all that to happen, you really need to be insightful about these things and work towards it. So really, the three things I want to emphasize on is creating a foundation with the help of some solid textbook like Kaplan, how to approach with the help of really important resources, First Aid and UWorld, and then final preparation, which involves filling in those voids with the help of other resources, which I think is a very personal approach, in my opinion.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your experience with us, Dr. Vashistha. We are grateful and hope our viewers and students can benefit out of it. Please like our channel. Please subscribe our channel so you get alerts about these videos as we'll talk to Dr. Vashistha more and other successful USMLE aspirants through our channel. Thank you so much for watching.